Hello there, everybody. Welcome back to the show. How's it going? Good or morning, good evening. For some of you guys, it could be in the morning. For some of you, it could be in the evening. What's up? Hello. Welcome back. I'm sorry I wasn't here in the London session. I'm sorry. You know, some things I had to take care of in the morning in my time. It is what it is, but I'm here now. I'm here to claim the likes, you know. Hey there, AI Impossible. Mr. Smith, hello, all is well, thank you. Burrito, hello there, what's up? Van Alban, hello, good morning. Or good afternoon. Jake, hello, good morning. Michael, well, what's up? Hello, Van Alban again. Yomar, let's push those likes. I'm here to take it. Hey, what's up? Plus 202. Let's go, Michael. Good job. Mike, hello. Oh, it's 11:05. Oh, yeah. You're in the future, man. Francis, hello. Good morning. Gabor, you're good. Good morning. Jó délután. Good afternoon. Thank you, sir, for that. I think there was some good. I mean, I checked it. There was some good moves there. For example, this. Like, I missed this move. Actually, I really would have wanted to take this long position up. Anyway, I missed that. But anyway, we move on. Amy, good morning. Spiritual healing. Welcome. Good to see you. Shrish. 1500. Let's go. On evaluation still. It's awesome. On the evaluation, that is perfect. Bear Trader. Welcome, everybody. All right. How was the weekend? I guess long weekend, right? Let me just add this. Let me lower the music. Okay, so 5-minute demand zone. 5-minute demand zone right down there. Good afternoon. Ashku, hello. Ashoku, what's up? Too much vodka. Well, as always, right? Just weekend as usual. You know, it would be awesome to make like, I mean, reminds me of that movie, Weekend at Bernie's. You guys know that movie? I love that. Weekend at Bernie's. All right, anyway. Seems like we are moving higher here. I wonder how much are we moving here? Now there is a small zone here, by the way, on the 5-minute. I don't know if it's going to tag it or not. Let me just put a rectangle here. Right there. That's actually a supply zone. So we have a 5-minute supply zone too. Oops. Right there. Now I don't know if we're gonna get there or not or whatever. But for now, that is a level that we can go to, right? 720. I mean, yeah, in the cards. Very close. And above that, we have the 845 potential buy side, which is Friday high, I would say. Yeah. So we have we have a Friday high right up there. I don't know. Feel like anything is possible, right? My static shows that if we have pump around 13, most of that, yeah, yeah, that could happen. So at this hour, basically, we started the New York kill zone right now, and you have to look into the data as well. Do we have anything for today? Oh, we have divergence. Thank you, Alex. Bearish divergence. Okay. Let's look at some numbers. Do we have anything today? Core durable goods, 8:30. Durable goods orders. So we have some small news event around 8:30, at 8:30, but nothing more. Japan will act on foreign exchange matters in line with Japan-US joint statement. What? Interesting. Was there something regarding the Japanese yen? No. Not much. All right. Okay, so we're heading up there to that 720. Let's see if it will go or not. I think it will. I think it will. Am I connected to? Actually. Okay, now it's back. I had some connection issue here. $720, 18. Anyway, let's see if it's gonna get it or not, right? Shall we? Let's see if it's gonna go or not. Maybe not at all. Marco Vasic, hello. Happy trading week. I wish the same for everybody. Well, so far, we're having this strong push here. Quite interesting, to be honest. And we have no news event. Now, I wonder if we're going to go back here. This is a London high. I'm not sure. Kind of weird. Kind of weird, but we'll see. The algo started buying London stock. London Stock Exchange launch session. Could that be the answer? It's just a simple algo buying sequence. Good morning, Burrito. What's up? Marco, what's up? Hello. Okay, well, it could be. I'm not sure. Kind of a strange situation for sure. But anyway, let's just wait. Let's be patient and let's just wait a little bit. Monar Melodies, hello there. K-Bell, hello. Hello there. Again, if you guys were here waiting for me in London, I apologize. I couldn't be here. Some family matters, but all is good. Everything's great, but I couldn't hold the stream. So. Okay, could be a bit of a pullback. There are some 5-minute gaps here on this push. Not sure what's gonna happen, and obviously we still have some time, so picked up a little bit of liquidity from a fair value gap, but that's all. That is all. Satish, hello there. Good, just opening graphics. All right. Yeah, shit, sorry, I couldn't be here. I wanted to be here, but I just couldn't. I had to deal some things, nothing bad. Personally, but all is good now. So what are we going to do? Are we going to pick up some liquidity lower, or what is the drill? So far, I'm seeing 29 likes and 104 viewers, which means, can we push it to above 50? We just need to, everyone. We need to do this. That's the goal. Yeah, everybody. I mean, it was okay. Everybody has a life. Hide a few bodies. Yeah. Hey, Thumper, I'm gonna start staying away from Asia session. Put me down almost 900 in the chop. Oh. Well, you know, there you go. You recovered 800. That's a great thing. So congrats on that. That's a good job. All right, let's talk about some levels. We do have some levels. We have demand zone, we have supply zone. Which one is going to get hit first? We don't know. We have new weak opening gap, of course, which I don't really care about now at this point. Actually, let's look at it on the 4-hour chart. Nothing. Daily. Nothing. So there's a zone there. There was another zone here as well, by the way. This is what I missed in the London session. It was right at around, it was right here at 734. And I missed that. That's also actually a supply zone up there. 734 is the low point. 34.75, yeah. That's also a 5-minute supply zone. Okay, right here. I'm not saying we're going there. We already mitigated that one. I don't know if we're going to come back to the other one or not. And yeah, nothing more to the left here. Nothing else to go for. So it's going to be a little bit interesting to see. Hey there, HT Photo. What's up? Get your 200 or 300 run away. Yeah, I know. I know. We all want that. Well, yeah. With a 50K account, you gotta be careful about those things. Okay, so far NQ is pulling back. I could imagine it will go down into this fair value gap lower, which is all right. Össze szervizve is vár. De hát akkor legalább nézzük a grafikonokat együtt. HT Photo saying he's waiting at the shop for the car to be repaired, so let's just watch the charts together. Okay, well, so far there's not much to do. Actually, let's check on gold quickly, because wow, look at this. What a push here overnight, over the weekend. I mean, gold, I just feel like it became a little bit like dangerous territory here. A little bit dangerous territory. Sideways action. We technically hit the 100. I would be careful to take a position on gold. So, yeah. I don't know. There's no demand zone lower, not on the 5, not on the 15. So there's the 5, nothing here. Yeah, nothing there. Let's see the 3-minute. I would say there would be a demand zone on the 3-minute. Now, this is an interesting thing, and we're going to talk about it later. If we see a gap in this case, and we see this bearish candle, this is a demand zone, by the way. So I'm going to put a level there. Going back to point of control, it could be. So this would be a 3-minute demand. The problem is it's too far. So 3-minute demand zone right down there. It's a little bit far. So I'm not going to do anything with gold. We have the gap. I don't know. Let's wait for NQ to show us what it wants to do. That's all we can do right now. Just wait. The waiting game. Oh, it was rejected. Well, then it could be a bearish turn. It could happen. Draw a trend line from Sunday low. It broke and now testing that line. From Sunday low right here. All right. I mean, this would be one level. Actually, I don't know. Interesting. You do have Friday high. Yeah, Friday high is 8:45, right? Yes. I don't I'm not counting with Sunday, to be honest. I'm just not. So obviously we have that level here, which would be a Sunday low. And in this case, this would be Friday low. But anyway, it's technically not even valid. Previous day low would be, I mean, Friday low would be right here. Anyway, doesn't matter at this point. Let's just wait and see. So we have the gap that has been repriced. Interesting move here. Interesting consolidation all the way after the London session until the start of the New York session. Could go all the way down. Repricing this gap. Let me zoom in. You know, repricing this gap here and then maybe even going lower. That could be a possibility. Now it's picking up liquidity from this fair value gap. So it's a good question. It could be turning around, but I don't see anything. I wish I would. I could. There's just nothing. I saw that actually crypto was going down quite a bit over the weekend. Volume is low. So that's, yeah, Ahmed. It will see the demand zone again in about 3 months. Oh. Yeah, we gotta wait for the open. Not much to see. I mean, I'm just saying, like, there used to be some good setups, you know, in between 7 a.m. till 9. And it's absolutely valid thing in my end. Even when there is no like news events, sometimes we do see some good setups and targets and price. Six to 10 Shop City Liquidation City. Oh yeah. But I thought, like, you know, as the kill zone starts at 7 a.m. Eastern, look at what happened at 7 a.m. That's where some volume started to kick in. I'm not saying it's going to be the best momentum or volume throughout the year, but anyway, it sometimes happens. Yonix, hello there. What's up? Farhad, hey, welcome back, Farhad. What's happening? We have 45 likes and 125 viewers. Can we get above 50, maybe to 60 even? Everybody, let's do it. The more likes, it's better for the channel. If it's better for the channel, the preference are going to gift us some giveaway codes. Thank you, thank you. All right. Let me check something. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Michael. Those kill zones got some fuel, I think. I mean, Amran, hello there. Welcome. How's it going? Yeah, so not much is going on, that's for sure. Is there any change in Eval or MyFundedFutures? Well, the core plan now has the 90% profit split, which is amazing. And all I can tell you guys is to stick around at MyFunded TV tomorrow. There's going to be something special happening on Tuesday, all right? Honestly, I don't even know what, but it's going to be awesome. No, I know. I have some hints like what's it going to be, but it's going to be amazing. In trading, there is an indicator ICT. Oh, yeah, I see. But like, I mean, yeah, there are actually many different type of indicators helping you out with the ICT kill zone. So up to you. We have 53 likes. Let's go, everybody. And 131. If we need to, okay, we need to keep this above 50%. So we need 10 more, you know, just to push it to above 60. 80% off. I hope so. I hope so. Malhaj, I hope I said it right. Malhaj, these custom handles are not working, unfortunately, but hello there. Welcome. Best indicator is discipline always. I mean, I think the best indicator in a certain way are the candlesticks, right? Candlesticks are the way to go, or one of the best ways to go, in my opinion. Okay, gold is definitely just going sideways. NQ not doing anything at all. Not much is going on, to be honest. Not much. Tom, I was on mini chart and opened a trade while I didn't notice. Restore daily. Oh no, Ahmed. It happened to. It happens. You gotta double, triple check those charts, man. I mean, it just happens. Unfortunately, with many people, with many traders, I made the same mistake like multiple times because I was trying to be real quick because I saw a scalping opportunity. I didn't notice that I was on the mini chart, so I pressed the button. Imagine if you're pressing it to a 2 or 3 or 5 minis because you think you're on the micro and you want to scalp it. Yeah, so those things can hurt quite a bit. Quite a bit. There you go, 3 mini. That can hurt. That hurts a lot. Oh man. The next Apex was failed because failed 10 Apex accounts because of that. I'm sorry to hear that. The day so far is great. Again, if you were waiting for me here in the London session, I apologize, but I had some family matters to take care of. Everything is great, by the way, but I just had to be there in person. All is good, but I couldn't stream in London. Otherwise, you know, seems like nothing special is going on the charts. Family first. Yeah. So, yeah, not much is going on. Hey, Mike, thank you so much. Mike, with a $2 donation. Smash that like button, team. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mike. Thank you for the notice there.
Smash that like button, team.
Fun coupons, you know, fun coupons. Thank you again. Oh my gosh, NQ just feels like it's, you know, unplugged. What is going on? So any news, by the way? I'm wondering if there's any news. Let's see, Bloomberg. Dollar hits 4-month low as gold tops 5K. Okay, gold smashes, blah, blah, blah. Japan bond crash unleashes 7 trillion risk for global markets. This is interesting. I'm not a subscriber yet. I was a subscriber on Bloomberg, but I wasn't reading it enough. Republicans divided after latest shooting. Oh, that's bad. Yeah, I was reading about this. Shutdown risk. Oh, again, the government shutdown thing. Is that a thing again? Yeah, it's terrible. Okay, Masper. Okay. So these are the headlines. Crypto traders flee to prediction bets after 150 billion crash. Oof. That must have hurt. Yeah, there are some things going on. It seems like it. My trend line at first low after I came back to our price post. I see. Still long 629. Well, as long as it plays out, you know, that's what matters. Unplugged, still unplugged. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Fed speakers tomorrow. Is it gonna be Powell? Let's check it. Tomorrow, President Trump. Nobody from the Fed here tomorrow. Oh, there's gonna be Wednesday, I think. Yeah, Wednesday FOMC. Okay, Wednesday FOMC. All right. That's going to be 2 p.m. Eastern Standard. Press conference at 2:30. In my time, it's going to be 8, but don't worry, it's at 2 and 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, this is going to be the real kicker of the week, obviously. FOMC week again. So, careful with that. If the volume node rejects, target will be next point of control. Oh, yeah. Basically, it's so interesting as you say this, Alex, because I mean, before anybody says anything, I'm not an ICT cult member, or I'm not an ICT close follower. I did learn a lot about smart money from Michael, but as far as I noticed, the resemblance between volume profile and smart money concepts, it seems like that, you know, the low volume nodes are basically the fair value gaps, right? And the point of control areas are basically the congestion zones, and that's it. So if I just use this simple analogy, I'm not saying volume profile is useless. Don't worry, I'm not saying at all. It's just interesting how much is the resemblance between the two. 830 durable goods. Yeah, we're gonna have some news. Yeah, from Michael, exactly. Michael Huddleston. Combining ICT and volume profile is so good. Really, it's good to know. I mean, and by the way, Alex, there are so many different volume profile indicators. Like, I mean, not indicators, but depends on where you calculate the volume. I mean, what's your anchor point, right? And some minor settings. I mean, we can look volume profile even on the seconds time frame, right? I just don't know which one is the most favorable, what most traders are looking at. Are they looking at the midnight level? Are they looking at the 6 p.m. daily reset? Are they looking at the previous couple of hours, or any particular, you know, anchor point there for the volume profile? That could be an interesting thing. People give attention to the point much while it should be the zone. Exactly. I've heard that a lot of times, Ahmed. Like, exactly. They say that everybody's focusing on the point of control, which should be quite the opposite. You should be focusing on the zone, not the point of control. With order blocks, your bread and butter. Let's go, Mike. I will look into it more, by the way, as well. That's why I'm trying to collect the information about this myself. So, well, it seems like not much is happening. I think NQ can go a little bit more lower, you know, pick up more liquidity. Not sure. It does seem like it. But if it goes lower, where to? all the way down to the VWAP to midnight level, repricing these gaps. If it goes, breaks 500 NQ, going for shorts today then. Down to the 500, right? Well, it could be. I'm kind of curious how cryptos are doing currently. Nothing. At your big demand zone, yeah, down there. I'm actually very curious. If we get through 580, I might even just scalp it down there. For now, it's just a waiting game. It's just a big waiting game right now. Picking up more liquidity from this gap. It seemed like it. Yeah, better wait for 30 minutes after the open. Untouched daily pivot at 567. Oh, now that could be interesting. That could be really interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be excited to see what's gonna happen there. Maybe nothing is gonna happen. Maybe this is just gonna be one of those days, right? I would like to take a long position, a scalp, if it goes back above, like, I don't know, 700. Could be good for scalping. Other than that, we're just hovering here. Just hovering. The hovering game. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. The problem is, again, with the volume. Not enough volume for this. I mean, let's just face it, there's not much happening on this Monday. And we are having 64 likes and 142 viewers, which means, can we push it above 70, 75? 10 more likes to keep us above 50%. Let's go, everybody. We can do it as a team. Thank you. Let's push it. Hey, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so. We're approaching 7,800, which is amazing. Hey, Karen, what's up? But for how long can we go? I mean, how far to the downside? What would be the perfect shift here? Ready for a new week? All right. I think everybody's ready for the new week. All is good. Thank you. Asia low? I mean, that has been taken out. Let me see. Where was Asia low? I would consider. Oh, yeah, it could have been here. True. Okay. All right. I would consider this as possible Asia low. How about that? Hmm. Okay. Quite possible. I have a target at 726, but thinking about reversing your trade to short. Yeah. We can only hope that volume is going to be picked up after 8 a.m. So that is what we're hoping. It's not moving anywhere as much as I wanted to. I mean, even if I want to look for like a 1 minute entry, it's just, you know, it's not happening. Even if I want to scalp this one, it's not going to happen. I'm going to have to look for levels above 70. I'm going to stay with that. And otherwise, if it's just slowly going to go down and reprice some levels lower, who knows? Raphael, hello there. First time? Hey, let's give an applause to Raphael and everybody else who just joins the channel for the first time here. Welcome. Wait for comic start in 12. Oh, yeah. That could be interesting, the comic start. Going lower. Still going lower. But still holding the area, though. Like, I would be looking for sure. I mean, I don't know. VWAP could be a good target, though. All right, quickly. Oh my god, gold is terrible. Look at gold. Look at this sideways action here. I mean, it's just It's just What? Why are we going lower? Why are we still going lower? I really wanted to see this, by the way, go and smash that 720. I don't know what else we need for it. Anyway, revenge trading, not the style. So I'm just watching. Yeah, I mean, do not revenge trade. Do not. And obviously, we have better chances after 8 a.m. anyways. Mainframe trader, hello there. Steven, it hello. Do you ever know? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Shrish, my MyFundedFutures 50k core flex account not updating since morning. I hit daily profit trigger in risk setting of TRADEIFY. Oh, I don't know, Shrish. That's that. I think you should contact support. I don't think I can help you with that. You should go to the website and ask for the chat support. They are responsive very well, so that's what I would do. Oh, definitely, it's going to be a support thing. I don't know why it's not updating though. Yeah, you can switch to a smaller account. You can always do that, obviously. So, Job City, yeah, Scalper Life. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. So far, the area is holding. A bit of a push here. So hold on, I'm just writing a quick email there. Just a second, be with you guys. Just a second there. Hold on. So I'm here. Good morning, Timothy. Hello there. Welcome. Pensacola, Florida. Stuck in traffic. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for listening in. I'm sorry, I was just writing an email. 10-minute SMT diverging. Oh. We'll see. RTS, hello there. We should start using hollowed out double Bollinger Bands paired with RSI. It's very good for noticing short-term and long-term reversals. Seems like a good idea, by the way. Still getting used to it yourself. I mean, it sounds like... I mean, it's a plan. I know there are so many different ways to use that. Yeah, trend is your friend, that's for sure. Whoa, we have Funk 101p. Just subscribe to the channel. Almost at 7,800, everybody. Thank you so much for joining. I'm sorry, I was just writing an email there. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. And we are having 77 likes and 184 viewers. So you know the drill. We only need 13 more likes. 13 to get to 90. And of course, 200. Let's just face it. We want to get to above 100. Can we get above 100, everybody? That would be like the usual. We have 78. 100 subs. Thank you so much, everybody, and let's get to 100 likes. I'm gonna stop with nurturing you guys once we get to 100 likes. Thank you so much for subscribing. By the way, we have another subscriber, 7,801. Congratulations for reaching the goal. And let's look at the likes in a second. Trend is your friend, that's for sure. I've been testing it all morning. Really? Depends on external borders. If it pops, it will all go. Well, I think there's like so many strategies about the Bollinger Bands out there. I was reading about it for a while, so you know. And we are having Paint or Die. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us. And we're at 89 likes. 11 more likes. 11. That's all we need. 11 more likes to push it. How do I know when to sell or buy? Are you doing call outs? No, I'm not doing call outs. But if I enter a trade, I definitely call out the trade. So far, since the stream started, I haven't entered a trade. So I missed the trade in London session because I was not streaming. But like, one more thing about this chaotic good, I would say, please do not copy trade anyone in social media, at least not on YouTube, especially if you're finding a channel, you don't know how that person trades. You don't know the style of that trader, what he or she is looking for. You know, there's so many factors. So just be careful. Doing the chart analysis and learning more about the charts is a different thing, right? Because obviously there's so many things to do. But like copying the trades, it's a totally different type of risk management thing. And like not really something that I would do. I'm kind of liking that supply zone up there, but again, I don't know what's going to happen. We have 92 likes, 8 more likes, everybody, 8 more likes, and we're finished. We're done with the daily goals. Easy, but whenever I trade, it's like tug of war inside ourselves. Oh yeah. So the thing is, chaotic good, like what I would do, obviously you can paper trade as well. or maybe, you know, if you can get some extra money to a cheap evaluation account, then go with like the smallest position size and forget about the profit, focus on the setup. And the thing is, I think you're getting confused on the charts, but the goal right now for you is to eliminate that confusion completely, right? And taking the smallest risk is going to be, you know, helping you to clear your mind and focus on that one. Actually limit yourself to what, like 1 or 2 trades a day. That can actually help. Exactly. Risk management is not the same for everyone. Exactly. Leonel Benitez, thank you for joining the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome. Welcome, Leo. We have 99 likes. 99. We need one more. One more like. Let's do one more like, everyone. Just one more. And there we have it. We have the like. All right. So, by the way, chaotic good for that. I would like, I mean, if I were you, I would put much more energy on the chart analysis. Tim Snyder, welcome. Hello there, Tim. Thanks for joining the channel. So I would put much more energy on the chart analysis before you even execute your trades. Like, try to read the narrative, try to come up with your own levels that you're looking for, or what you anticipate where the market would go to. And that would be a good starting point. Hey, Nathan, what's up? So, yeah. Whoa, Epic Tattoos just subscribed. Welcome. Thanks for joining the channel. Well, so far it's the waiting game, and you know, we passed 3 minutes past 8 a.m. in the morning Eastern Standard. Not much of a volume coming in the markets. Gold started to go a little bit lower, which is quite interesting, but you know, nothing on the 5 minutes, so there's no like actually I have to put a line to, okay, we need to put a line to 5k just to make sure. Okay, let's just put it there. Okay, 5k. Well, yeah, supply demand zones, but it's not just about supply. I like supply demand zones, but it's like not mandatory for everybody to learn supply demand zones. Just because I like to use them, it definitely does not, I mean, it doesn't mean that you have to go with supply demand zones. Hey, Camilla, jó reggelt. New York is full of snow right now. Cool. Snowy New York, it seems like. SoFX, hello. Or SoFX, I would say so. That's what I wanted to say. Hello there, good morning. Yeah. $20 centimeter minimum. Whoa. I mean, I was reading the news about there was like a very cold, I don't know, weather thing going on above the US East Coast, most likely, right? Northeast of United States. I'm not sure. Multiple states were having issues with extreme cold, right? minus 30 degrees Celsius in Canada. Wow, nice. Wow. Our trading session is going to get sturdy. The market is struggling through the AI bubble. Yeah, so what's up with this AI bubble? We need to look into this. Greenland is no longer under threat. New York is in the middle of the ice age. Yeah. Oh. Bob, hello there. What's up? There might not gonna be anything for us here in this early New York session. Maybe we gotta wait for 9:30 open, which is gonna be right here. AI bubble is a melt up and has been for the past. Yeah, I mean, I'm reading some articles about the AI bubble like almost every week or every other week. Like, it seems like OpenAI also looking for more money. Other AI tech companies looking for more money from investors. Just some headlines that I was reading, but I don't know about the details. -2. Well, that's still okay. -2. That's why gold, palladium, silver are skyrocketing, because everybody's scared of the AI bubble. Do you think so? Yeah, we have news at 8:30. Exactly. We have news at 8:30. Durable goods. Let's see what that's going to give us. I think it's medium impact news, I think. I'm not sure. Just a second there. Quick phone call. All right. It was just, I'm expecting a package, basically. Market makers, actually, is what I wanted to say. -11 Celsius. We're here about like a week ago here in Hungary. It was negative, in my place here, it was -16, -17 degrees Celsius. Good morning, Jeff Smith. Hello. Nvidia is far too big. The guy who they made the big short. Oh, yeah. He's shorting it. He's betting against all AI markets. Ooh. But I mean, Michael Burry, that's the guy, right? So Michael Burry was like calling out the collapse in almost every year. Kevin, hello there. Ahmed, good morning. Yeah, I guess it could be a bit cold. It was cold here, so it was definitely cold here. Anyway, let's just wait. We have 9 minutes until commodity exchange trading floor open. Swept some liquidity here on gold. Not that I care too much about gold. I'd like to see, oh, relatively equal lows. All right. Honestly, I'd like to see gold to go down. So my plan for gold, like, let's see it go all the way down. That's what I want to see. Right? So let's go with that. Cup and handle. Sorta. I mean, I have a long position on my FTMO account, but it's like for like $50, nothing special. And it's negative risk to reward ratio. But anyway, we'll see. I didn't say it because it's on a CFD market, so it's not futures. Also, if you look at NQ on the monthly chart, check out the RSI. It is colossally overbought. Then check the formations and the, oh, that's interesting. I will check that. Reddit predictions, hello. I'm a full-time university student, so walking to campus in the cold. Oh my gosh. Well, just, you know, have everything. I mean, what I wanted to say is like, maybe take a bit of a vodka, or I would send you some palinka here from Hungary, you know, in the cold. Have some spirit with you, basically. Have some spirit. Makes your day better, you know, happier and good against the cold. But hey, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Yeah, but be careful. It you know, it always helps, especially in cold weather. I mean, I don't know how many of you guys are familiar with the drink. It's called Unicum. Do you guys know that? I'm gonna show you. You guys will be amazed. I mean, this is very popular here in Hungary. I really love this drink. And Jägermeister too, but I don't know if you guys know this drink. It's usually served in this bottle, this shape. I love this. I just love Unicum. I think it's an amazing drink. Palinko is good too. I love Unicum. This is very famous. And by the way, if you look into the history of Unicum, it's actually healthy. It's healthy. Well, but it's healthy. It's basically the similar like Jägermeister, by the way. It's a little bit similar. So, but I love it. You see this? This is the sign here that shows it's healthy. So yeah. It's alcohol, yes. It's alcohol. Yeah. But it's good. It's a good kind of alcohol. Doki86, hello there. Jägermeister is German. Thank you for subscribing again, Doki. Welcome to the channel. Been a fan of Japanese beers right now, but I want to get into Europe. Okay, Reddit, hit me up. I will let you know what to drink. Definitely try Unicum if you can have it there. Yeah, Trading Star, good to see you. I'm checking the meaning of, you know, maybe the term healthy is a little bit different in my dictionary. Who knows? Yeah, just a thing. By the way, I know I told you guys this, but these coffee cups, I ordered it from the United States. It came with Amazon. I got this from the United States. I ordered 4. This is the classic United States retro coffee mug, not cup, coffee mug. Sorry. This is the absolute classic retro United States. I know it's made in China. I know, but it's still like, you know. Rocky Mountain Traders, hello. GC, what is happening? Well, it went up there overnight. Yes, 695 long. Good morning, Kabir. Hello. How's the market? Well, it looks slow. There are two levels here, namely supply zones. I don't know if we're going to get there or not. We're going to have comics open less than 4 minutes, so we'll see. English to Hungarian is difficult, Training Star. It is. No, I know. Don't worry about it. It is difficult. It depends on the amount. Oh, hairball snaps. Yeah, exactly. This was the word I was looking for, Leah. So it's basically a hairball snap. Or schnapps. Sorry, not snap. It's a herbal schnapps, herbal spirit. So if you just drink a little bit, it's actually healthy, right? Another cup and handle. All right. Let's see. Kind of an interesting formation here. Very interesting. Kruterschnaps. Okay. Kruterschnaps. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but something like that. I'm guessing. Yeah, RTS. Do a trend line from the top wicks going down. This needs to break 715 to go up. If not, it's go downtrend. Not bad. German. Do a trend line. Let's see. I'm just going to stay on the 5 minute and let's see where it goes. All right. Kruterschnaps. Yeah. Oh, got to the chopper. That's a different one. Let's see. Yeah, 715 there. Well, if it breaks that, obviously it could go there. I don't know. Get to the chopper, Maria. Maria, get to the chopper right now. There's a bomb in there. Get out. There's a bomb in there. Oh my God. I can't do Arnold. Careful with your tongue. Oh, I know. Well, so far, here we go. Comex is opening right now. Quick check on gold. Oh, wow. Okay. Gold, well, not much. Bit of a decline here. NQ still holding. And yeah, let's wait for the next 10 minutes. Make a new high? Well, we'll see. Yeah. How are we doing? We have 116 likes. Let's go. Amazing. 116 likes. This is it. 117 now. Cool. Let's go, everyone. And so far, not much is happening on NQ here. You catch any trade? I wasn't streaming and wasn't even trading in London session. I was out of, away from reach. Away from the charts because I was dealing with some family stuff. Everything is cool, but I couldn't be here. But it seems like there was some good trades there. I scrolled back. I feel like I would have taken a long for that 5 minute supply zone higher, but I didn't. But anyway, so I didn't. There was no trades there. I feel like at least I didn't take a trade on gold because gold was very bad throughout the day. Let's all hit the likes. Thank you, thank you. Nice. 100 pip gold short. Good. Let's go. Nice. You guys got the long? All right. Well, so far NQ is just not doing anything here. Almost like it's unplugged again. Do we have? I mean, other than the news, do we have anything else at 8:30? Nothing. $500 pip gold short. Let's go. I mean, it does look a little bit weaker right now. Who knows? Maybe. But tomorrow is FOMC, as you all know it. So tomorrow is going to be quite interesting. And there's still another more than 5 minutes to go. Oh, sorry, on Wednesday. Oh my gosh. Ah, you're right. On Wednesday, I'm sorry. My mistake. It's on Wednesday. I'm sorry. Tomorrow is just going to be a Trump speech, maybe. Sorry, my mistake. You guys right. On Wednesday is going to be FOMC. And this is going to be a press conference thing. So, could be a real kicker, you know. Trump will fart and move the market. Who knows? We don't know. Good evening, lovely nature guy. Hello. Yeah, Wednesday is going to be the big news event. Yeah. Yeah, PM session. I suppose like Wednesday New York session could be a little bit like sideways action. Maybe a little bit boring even. Who knows? No rate change expected. We'll see. Well, so far, 5 minutes to go until news. Less than 5 minutes, actually. And not much until then. What are they expecting, by the way? Let's see these numbers. Changing total value of purchase, expecting better numbers for sure. So expecting positive numbers here. I don't think it's gonna shake the market all that much, but who knows? Zelensky, preparations are underway for trilateral meetings this... Oh, well, let's hope something positive will come out of that. Ahmed, I'm not trading the news. I'm not. Gold finally... Oh, yeah. Rafael Trades was right, actually. He just, you know, almost nailed it until December 31. But you know what? He was right. Rocky Mountain. He was absolutely right. And it's kind of cool. I mean, honestly, I was a little bit skeptical about the 5K, about like in September. I was like, really? Are we going to go there? Really? There's going to be no huge drop, nothing, and here we are, about 5K. Huh. So amazing, right? Big psychological level, yes. Exactly. But I feel like it will be tagged now because, you know, the market just opened higher. So I guess a lot of sellers are looking to tag the 5K on a retest. Nvidia invests $2 billion in CoreWave Class A common stock. So is this all about AI again? We'll see, I guess. Come on. I'm trying to put on my lucky bracelet. Okay, I got this for Christmas. Yeah. Okay, how much time? 1 more minute until news. What? Hey, Randall, what's up? We was blocked from posting here? What? No, Randall. No. No, what do you say? You're never blocked. Come on, man. Randall. Never ever say that. Peachbud, hello. No, I didn't. I wanted to be here, but I couldn't be here in London session. I had some family stuff to do. Everything's good, but I couldn't be here. But yeah. Looks like you're all by yourself this AM. I am. I know. Yes. I love the picture of methodical man. Okay. I mean, you wanted to call a trade. Nice. Okay. By the way, news came out and nothing is happening so far. Any advice on what one should give to fiance on Valentine? Well, jewelry always works usually, right? Jewelry, that's the classic. Dude, I have a simple life, to be honest, because on my end, jewelry always cuts the point. So it's very simple for me. Otherwise, I don't know. I have all you guys. Exactly. All right, so nothing is happening. I'm just going to sign off, everybody, because I'm not taking a trade here. So I'll be at MyFundedFutures in 29 minutes. No trades in this early session. We'll see how it goes later. We'll be watching that 720 or if it goes lower to the VWAP. All right. So thank you, everybody. I will see you guys in MyFunded TV, or if not, I will be here tomorrow in London and New York, back to schedule. So God bless. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there. It's good for all these prop firms support the stream if you can. We need only a couple of more sales in Take Profit Trader to get some free accounts for a giveaway. And anyway, we have some good deals around. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless you all, and see you guys on the flip side. God bless. Cheers, everyone.